Yeah, hi, I'm Roy from New York. I just got this new cordless chainsaw to replace my gas still saw, which has been acting up for the last year and a half. This is the still saw. As you can see, it's been in and out of the shop several times, so I'm getting a little frustrated with it. Okay, these are both top-handled saws, and they're used for small jobs. I have several larger saws that I use for jobs including milling boards, as you can see behind me. My only concern today is how well the new saw cuts in comparison to the gas saw. The review I'll be doing will be totally subjective, since I already have a feel for my old saw and I have certain expectations for the new saw. So the saw is a Makita XCU08, and it's a 14-inch bar, as was the gas saw I had. It uses two 18-volt batteries. You see those there, which gives me a total of 36 volts when they're both in there. Its weight is similar to my gas saw. In fact, the gas saw may be a little bit heavier, but the Makita comes in at about 10.5 pounds. Okay, it has a nice balance and just enough weight so I don't believe it's going to be bouncing when I'm cutting. Those are things I look for. All right. Any other information, obviously you can go on the websites and get information on the batteries and other things like that, but I'm concentrating today totally on the feel for cutting and how it compared to what I had before. Okay, so let's give this a try and do some cutting, okay? Okay, just a word to the wise. Check the chain oil reservoir when you change the batteries. And don't over tighten the chain. The saw won't run. I found out the hard way. Okay, looks like a home run. I'm very satisfied with the performance of the saw. The saw came with a battery charger capable of charging 2 batteries at a time. So I bundled that with additional 2 batteries, so I have backup in case the battery runs low while I'm working. This is going to be my go-to saw at this point, and I hope this video helps in making any decisions on this saw. So God bless.